Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed that we've got a bunch of different projects in here to teach you how to use Scratch or to teach Scratch. Now, one of them is the character builder, which allows you to build a character using different items of clothing. Now, the project that we're going to look at is kind of like this, and it is called Ballerina Dress Up, and it is by Primrose Pink 1. Now, we've pressed the green flag. Okay, so we've got our character, just like before, and we're able to click on the different buttons, and it will change the different aspects of our character. Like, change the skin tone, we can change the different type of dress that they're wearing, make it something different. Oh, I like that one. Can change the color of their leggings, can change the color of their shoes. We can add on a little necklace. Oh, that looks good. We can add on a little headband. Ooh, princess. Let's go with that one. Is that cat ears? I don't know, maybe. And then we press done. Ta-da! So this I thought was a really neat idea for a cool variation that you can use on a character builder project. So if you want to learn how to create your character builder, make sure you go to bootuppd.org. And if you want to check out this particular project, make sure you check out the link in the description. And if you got a neat idea that you'd like me to take a look at, make sure you comment below so we can take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.